Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you how to create a table in Google Sheets. You can do it similar to Excel. You can make one manually, but I'm just gonna show you how to do it automatically. So what you wanna do is you wanna highlight the data that you have placed in a column. Then you wanna go Insert, and then click on Pivot Table. It's gonna ask you to insert it to a new sheet. Just click create and it will open a new tab. This or new sheet, which looks like this. Now you can't see your data. You're gonna need to move your data to where you want it. So here's my list. I want to move that list to the rows. So all you need to do is grab it and put it at rows. It might be called different things, not a list, depending on what you called your data. You have a choice of making it go from alphabetical order or the reverse alphabetical order. Once you have that done, go to values and click add. You want to add the list or the name of your data set, and what that does, it will count how many of each categories there is for your data set. So here's a quick way to create your frequency table in Google Sheets, on Google Sheets. Thank you.